This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fold back the carpet trim to access the rear light cluster. Then prise out the clip and disconnect the wiring plug. Undo the mounting nuts and pull the light cluster from place. Release the retaining clips and detach the bulb holder assembly from the cluster. The outer bulbs are a bayonet fit in the bulb holder. Depress and twist the relevant bulb to remove it. Refit the bulb holder assembly to the cluster, ensuring the clips engage fully. Locate the rear light cluster into the rear wing. Then refit and securely tighten the mounting nuts. Reconnect the wiring plug and refit the carpet trim.